I'm Kenneth Torres, the Health, Environment, Safety, and Security Senior Supervisor at Mitsubishi Power Philippines. Our company builds and repairs boilers for power plants that provide the electricity needed by the people across the country. My role is to provide a safe working environment for my colleagues who work at these plants to ensure that they go home to their families safely every day. As a registered nurse, my passion has always been for people. I'm deeply motivated to develop a safety culture at Mitsubishi Power Philippines. I lead a team of 8 safety officers to conduct safety inspections at our sites and provide trainings to prevent accidents and property damages. I also oversee the environmental management system, which ensures we protect the environment as we go about our business operations. The work at Mitsubishi Power in delivering stable, affordable, and cleaner power impacts the lives of many in the Philippines, and I'm very proud to be a part of this journey.